Hello everyone, I am Felipe Valencia, and in this video I will be teaching you how to sign up and log in into your Feedback Reviews account. I will also I'm going to give you a little walkthrough to the Feedback Reviews dashboard, and I will show you where you can find your account settings, and especially we will look into how you can add your business logo for your Feedback Reviews account. To sign up in Feedback Reviews is very easy. You just need to go to feedbacker.cx, and in the website you can go directly into the pricing section. Here you can see the current two plans that we offer. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to pick the premium plan, and I can click directly into the 30-day free trial option here. In this page, you can register your account. So here I put the business name, the company name, Family Inn. It's a small hotel with a restaurant. The phone number, my name, my surname, the email. And this email is very important because this email is going to be for managing your billing information, but also is the email you will use to log in into your Feedback Reviews account. The password is going to be the password that you will be using every time you want to enter into the Feedback Reviews platform. The billing information, you can put your credit debit card with the information there, country, state, city, address, zip code, all the necessary information for your subscription, and then you can hit the button subscribe now. Once you finish this process, you will receive an email confirming your subscription to Feedback Reviews. And immediately after that, you will be able to log in into the Feedback Reviews platform. To log in into your Feedback Reviews account, you just need to go to the login button here. Then you will need to put your account, the one that you use when you created the Feedback Reviews subscription, and also the password that you created as well when doing the subscription. Okay, now we are here in the Feedback Reviews platform. I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough. So over here, as you can see, you have access to some of the features that we have available. We have the dashboard, Genio, reward section, import features, a directory, the form, a QR, and some settings. But I would like to focus right now on the settings part. Here on the settings section, as you can see, we have all this information. Here we have company information. This is the one that you put when creating the account, but you can also add information about the sector, the industry, or the phone. And for example, I'm just going to add this random number here, and I'm just going to submit the changes. So now it will store this new phone number into the account. Here we also have information about user management. So in this button here, you can create new users. Only admin users have this feature. And here you'll have some information about the charges for an additional user. But here you just need to put the name, last name, the email, the password, also a phone number, and you need to choose whether you want this account to also have this admin ability to create new users. And then you just hit submit. And in that way, you will create a new user. Here we also have the plan information, and in these three dots you have some actions that you can take. And here in this part, and this is fundamental when starting for the first time using Feedbacker, you need to add your business logo. So here we can click We then find our logo. Ideally, it will be good if it has a white background, but also other types of background as well works. And I'm just gonna open this file, and as you can see now it's there, and I just need to click on the button save, and now it's safe. And the reason why we think this is one of the most important things you need to do first is because with this logo here, now you'll be able to find it in the form, and all your customers, when they are giving you feedback, they will be able to see your business logo. I'm going to give a little example here. So if I go to the form, now you can see here the form, and you will notice that here we have the business logo.